Severin Germany Vacuum Cleaner, corded, platinum grade, Severin Germany Vacuum Cleaner. German-engineered high-quality home appliance, Severin's vacuum cleaner is among the best in the world and is one of the most innovative brands available today. Easy to clean and ready to use, this floor vacuum cleaner cleans hard floors and carpets. It's easy to handle, quick to use and has a versatile range of functions. Functional tools: Severin's vacuum cleaner has a switchable premium Eco floor nozzle with rollers, an additional extra-large parquet nozzle, and an Ergo-Soft extra-large handle with click connector. Accessories to clean any crevice includes a 3-part accessory set, upholstery, furniture, and crevice nozzle. Also features a long extra-large easy-touch telescopic tube and an extra-large premium suction hose. Innovative and premium filtration system: each product has a motor protection filter made of hygienic fleece and includes 2 microfiber dust bags with hygiene lock.